10 days, 10 healthy Indian dinners. Let's make mushroom tikka masala. I have some beautiful baby mushrooms here. We're gonna add some spices. I have 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin, chili powder, and coriander. Then we're gonna add some ginger garlic paste, a little bit of lemon, plant yogurt, about a tablespoon. We're gonna add some oil to a pan. Once that's heated up, add the mushrooms in. Once the mushrooms are cooked down, it's gonna look something like this, nice and brown. We're gonna set that aside. And then to the same pan, we're gonna add 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, some ginger, and 2 red chilies. Then we're adding a teaspoon of garam masala and a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, a cup of vegetable stock, and a handful of cashews. After 10 minutes, we're gonna let that cool. Then we're gonna blend the sauce up. Add the mushrooms. You have to try this one. And that's